Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by joining a Google Meet and immediately grant microphone access to your browser if asked. Once in the meeting, click the 3 vertical dots in the lower right corner, then choose Settings. Make sure your preferred microphone is visible in the Audio tab. This selects the hardware Meet will use. If you're using a headset, pick it now rather than the built-in mic, because that reduces background noise and makes your voice clearer for other participants. Now you pick the exact microphone and speaker from the audio settings drop-down so Meet routes sound correctly. Once done, toggle noise cancellation if your account or device supports it. This helps cut hums and keyboard clicks. Make sure to speak briefly and watch the input meter to confirm levels. If it's too low, raise system or app volume, and if it clips, move farther from the mic. Also double-check the speaker by playing the test tone so others can hear you clearly. Finish by matching your operating system's input and output devices to what Meet shows. Discrepancies here often cause silence. If audio still fails, reload the tab or restart the browser. This refreshes permissions and device locks. If you continue to have trouble, unplug and replug USB headsets or switch to a different mic briefly. This forces reconnection. As a key troubleshooting tip, check other apps aren't holding the mic exclusively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.